Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to disable Truecaller as default dialer. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open up your Truecaller application on your phone and now click on your profile icon in the upper left corner. Now tap on the gear-like icon, the settings icon. Now once you land on the settings page, tap on caller ID and then change your style from full screen to classic pop-up. Once you're done here, go back and open your phone settings. Now scroll down and select the apps option. Here you'll find all your phone's application. Now scroll down and look for Truecaller and then tap on it. Now select the permissions option under the privacy section and then select on phone option. Now change the permission from allow to don't allow. Once you're done here, go back to apps and scroll up and choose default apps. Under the default apps, click on phone app and now select phone. Then again, go back to your Truecaller application and make sure the Truecaller style has not been changed and is still in classic pop-up. With this, your Truecaller would be disabled as default dialer. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.